Tired of the same old font in League of Legends? Want to spice things up and display text in Korean? I'll show you how in just a minute. First, make sure your League of Legends client is completely closed. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Next, navigate to your League of Legends installation directory. Usually, it's under your Riot Games folder. From there, go into the League of Legends folder, and then find the config folder. Locate the file named game.cfg and open it with Notepad or any text editor. Inside single quotes game.cfg, scroll down until you find the line that says chat skill. Don't worry about the number after it. Below this line, we're going to add a new line of text. On that new line, type locale, co_kr. This tells the game to use the Korean language settings. Now, go to File and select Save to save the changes you made to the game.cfg file. Finally, launch your League of Legends client. You should now see Korean text in the chat, item descriptions, and potentially other parts of the game. Enjoy your new Korean font.